Hi, I want to share with you this super cute, very nice towel warmer. It is a very small size, very nice for being able to place anywhere and being able to store for when you're not using it. It comes with tongs for grabbing your towels out because they do get quite hot. I think it's about 175. Inside it has a little basket for holding your towels. You put your damp towels in, and this is to give you an idea of size. This basket with two washcloths rolled up together, and that's how that fits. So I could easily fit 8 washcloths in here, or 8 sets of washcloths in here, and then you can grab them out with the towel if they're hot. They're not too hot for me to grab with my hands, but some people have more sensitive skin. So when you're ready to use it, you just close it and push the power button and it starts to warm. And this morning when I went to use it, my wet washcloths, I used cold water to warm them, and they were ready within 15 to 30 minutes. So it was really quick, much quicker than the crock pot that I was using in the past. And then also here it has a drip tray to catch the moisture that is coming off of that. So this is going to be holding damp washcloths, damp towels, but you would definitely want to, at the end of your work day, power it off, take out your wet stuff, wipe it out, dump out your drip tray, and then I plan to prop open the door so that it can dry completely and not build up too much moisture or have a risk of mold. I don't know that that's necessary, but I don't want to take that risk. And it is stainless steel on the inside, and it just feels very well made, and it has a really nice, simple look to it. And of course, I love this blue color. This tends to be the accent color I use in most of my places, in most of my rooms. So I just am very pleased with it.